Sixth division. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C equal to 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. Take the left hand side, sin A plus sin B plus sin C. And now I want to substitute the formula for the first two terms, sin A plus sin B. This is in the form of 2 sin A plus C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. And then this sin C can be written as 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. Sin 2C is 2 sin A sin C cos C. Isn't it? Here we have, it's given sin C only, half angle. So we have to divide the angle also. So we have 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. And then here A plus B by 2 is here. So we have to write 90 minus C by 2. And then keep all the other terms as it is there. And then sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So here cos C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 plus 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. And then I want to take the common factors here, as 2C by 2 is common here. So inside the bracket we have simply cos of A minus B by 2 plus this cos sin C by 2. Now this is in the form, I can write this C by 2 as sin of 90 minus of A plus B by 2. Okay, so sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So it will become as cos A plus B by 2. Now this is in the form of cos C plus cos D. This we can write this as 2 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2. If you multiply everything, we will get the required answer. Next problem. Sin of B plus C minus A plus sin of C plus A minus B plus sin of A plus B minus C equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. Here take the left hand side as usual. Here in that left hand side I want to take this as B plus C. It's given A plus B plus C equal to 0, 180 degree, isn't it? Here I want to substitute the value for B plus C is 180 minus A. So I have 180 minus A. Already this minus A is given in the problem. And then in the second bracket also I want to substitute this C plus A. C plus A is 180 minus B. So substitute this 180 minus B here and keep this minus B as it is. And then A plus B is there. So instead of A plus B I can write 180 minus C. So I can write this 180 minus C, keep minus C as it is there. And then I can simplify the brackets there. Now I have sin of 180 minus 2A, then sin of 180 minus 2B plus sin of 180 minus 2C. Okay, and then sin of 180 minus 2A, that 180 is 2 into 90, isn't it? So 2 into 90, 2 is even number, keep sin as it is there. That is in the second quadrant. Second quadrant all sign values are positive. So you can write this as sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. This problem already we have in the previous things there. So we can do as it is there, like the previous things. Now we can group the first two terms, sin 2A plus sin 2B. So that is sin C plus sin D. We can write this as 2 sin of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. The third term sin 2C can be written as 2 sin C cos C. And then simplify the brackets. We can cancel 2 and 2 there. The remaining things are 2 sin of A plus B into cos of A minus B. The third term is 2 sin C cos C. And then from this A plus B I can write pi minus of C, isn't it? That pi minus of C is 2 into 90 minus C. 2 into 90 is 2 is even, so keep sin as it is, sin C. And then it's in the second quadrant, so plus only. So we can write this sin of 180 minus C as simply sin C. So we have 2 sin C cos of A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C as it is there. Okay, and then I want to take the common factors 2 sin c there. So take 2 sin c there. The remaining terms in the brackets are cos of a minus b plus cos c. And then we can write this c as, if it is separate thing, individual thing, we have to write as the addition or subtraction something there inside the bracket. So I want to change this c as a plus b there. So it's nothing but I can write instead of c as pi minus of a plus b. So pi minus of means 2 into 90. So 2 is even number. So keep cos as it is. In the second quadrant, sign is positive. Here we have cos. So put one minus symbol here. We got minus now. So cos of a plus b. And then here now we have cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. That can be written as 2 sin a sin b. So we had the formula for this 2 sin a sin b. Then multiply this. It will become 4 sin a sin b into sin c. Okay. Second problem. If a plus b plus c equal to 2s, prove that sin of s minus a into sin of s minus b plus sin s into sin of s minus c equal to sin a sin b. We want to prove this. Okay, now here it's clearly given a plus b plus c equal to 2s. We have to here it's given a plus b plus c equal to 2s, isn't it? Now take down the left hand side, sin of s minus a into s minus b plus sin s into sin of s minus c. Now take the first term, sin of s minus a into sin of s minus b. So it's in the form of sin a sin b. We have the formula for sin a sin b equal to half into cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So cos of a minus, the first term is half into cos of a minus b. That is a minus b is s minus a minus of this s minus b. That is minus s plus b. Okay, minus cos of a plus b. A plus b is s minus a plus s minus b inside the bracket. So now we completed the first term, and then we have the second term as sin s into sin of s minus c. So here also I can write this. Sin a sin b. So the same formula I want to do here, half into cos of a minus b. That is nothing but s minus s minus of means minus s plus c is here, and then here a plus b, that is s plus s minus c. Okay, now we had in the first bracket, in here I can cancel this s and s will get cancelled. The remaining thing is cos of b minus a, and then here I can cancel this. In the second term I have 2s only, and then from these two I can take minus as common. So 2s minus of a plus b. Okay, and then in the remaining thing here I can have the next term plus half of the second term as cos c minus cos 2s minus c here. Okay, now from this two I can have like this, half into cos of a minus b minus cos c, and here half into cos c minus cos of 2s minus c. Okay, now I have half as common, so take half as common here, and then take the remaining terms as cos c minus cos d. That cos c minus cos d is 2 sin of